Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a brief look on the Bitcoin market. Here is not too many things to comment. As you can see in recent few sessions, performance stands relatively quiet. Speaking in general, guys, the one problem that I see on the Bitcoin is that too big divergence on the performance of the stock market and the Bitcoin. If on the stock market, in particular speaking on the DAX market, for example, I even could show you this DAX. You could see we have some rally on the daily chart to the upside, and the same on the S&P you could find. Here we do not see anything of that sort. So market is very heavily reacts even on some positive factors that we have. Right now when the interest rates in the United States keep going higher, so if we take a look what we have, actually 2-year yield already is 4.64. It's outstanding levels. Mortgage rate is coming to the 7%. So it's the pressure and this burden will just keep rising. And it's more pressure will be as on the stock market as on the Bitcoin market. And in these conditions, we currently fundamentally do not see any reasons for reversal on Bitcoin right now. It makes us to keep the existing rates, existing targets that we have on the high time frames valid. So speaking on intraday charts, actually we're still watching for this long-term consolidation, suggesting still that Bitcoin has more chances to break it to the downside rather to show upside reversal, despite that in this moment we have relatively slow performance. Recent statements from the Fed members, in particular speaking from the Kashkari, he said that, well, I do not see any problems if it will be 4.75, 4.9, if core CPI still will be high, we will keep going higher with the rates. And that's a really hawkish statement, which is currently gives really small room to suggest that situation could change in the nearest time, which is potentially bearish for Bitcoin as well. That's why, despite that, market still stands inside this range and it's particularly neutral performance. But our suggestion is that chances on the downside breakout seems more probable here. On the lower time frame, our trading setup has worked nice, as you could see. So we suggested that take a look for resistance level from the smallest recent upward action. You could try and take the position against the top because this might be the butterfly. And currently, you can see the market is slipping down slowly. This performance is also not very impressive, so it's a lot of choppy action, overlapping candles, but still overall shape currently starts forming, and we'll see what will happen next. So currently it makes sense to move stops to the break-even and just see what will happen. At the same time, I do not see yet any patterns to consider for taking the long position. Maybe we could get the kind of the AB equals CD with this no butterfly, but maybe it will be some kind of the catalyst to buy. Bulls could consider taking short-term bullish positions. Some minor bounce here might happen. But with the fundamentals that we have right now, I would suggest that later, with the minor pullback will happen, 222 could easily turn and shift into the butterfly. So the 222 performance, it might be just a temporal stop on the way down. It's just minor retracement. That's what we have currently on the Bitcoin market.